Hi, today we are going to see the demo for Fire Report Helper PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next go to the Visual Studio Code. Explore your project folder, then click the readme text. Here you can see the project URLs and then login details. Copy the localhost PHP MyAdmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database. Click the DB name, you can view the backend database tables. Click the table name, you can view the table data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL. Then click the MySQL admin button, it will promote you to the web browser. Then you can able to see the backend database tables. Next go to the Visual Studio Code. Explore the web folder. Here you can see the project delivery files. Explore the JS folder, you can view the AngularJS files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code. And then you can view the PHP source code. Next click the readme text. Copy the project URL and paste to the browser. So this is a project home page. Here we have three roles: user, officer and admin. Let's start with the admin. Here you can enter the admin email ID and password. Then click the login button. So login successfully. So this is the admin home page. Admin can create and view the officers and then view the all report details and then manage the locations and then view the users and my profile details. Let's start with the officer. Here you can enter all the fields for officer registration. Enter the officer name, officer email ID, and then enter the password, mobile number, and then select the location. Once you do that, click the register button, it will be registered. And then click the view officer. Here you can view the officer details. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. Admin can view the all reports. Here you can see how many complaints or bindings on progress, rejected and completed. Or you can filter the details like location wise and then status wise. Or you can using the search option. Here you can search any field wise. Then click the location. Admin can manage the location. Here you can view the location list details. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. If you want to create the new location, here you can enter the location and then click the create location button. Once you do that, it will be created. Then click the view user. Admin can view the user details. And then click the my profile. Admin can view my profile details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. Next move to the user. Before you log in the user, you have to register. Click the sign up button. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. Enter the username, email ID, and then enter the password, mobile number, and then enter the answers. Once you do that, click the register button. So the password must be in 8 digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character, and then numbers. So register successfully. Next, log in the user. So this is a user homepage. User can create the complaints and then view the complaint status and then view the my profile details, admin information. Let's start with the complaint. Here you can post your complaints. Here you can enter the address, location, landmark, and then complaint titles, complaint. So there will be an officer in every location. For which location you have to select, the complaint will be sent to that officer. For example, I have to select the Delhi location. The complaint will be sent to the officer in Delhi. So once you enter all the field, click the post complaint button. So the complaint created successfully. What are the complaints you have to created? You can view the details here. Here you can using the search option. Here you can search any field wise. Here you can click the geo map. The location will be updated. So the location will be updated automatically. Then click the show map. Here you can see the updated location. And then click the upload photo. Here you can upload the proof image. Then click the feedback. Here you can post your feedback. You can enter the feedback, then click the submit button. It will be posted. Then click the my profile. Here you can view the user profile details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. Then click the admin info. Here you can view the admin contact information. Next, move to the officer. Login successfully. So this is the officer homepage. Officer can view the complaints and then view the report details and then view the users feedback details, profile details. So first click the complaint. So here you can view the complaint details. Then click the update button. Here you can update the status. And then here you can enter the reason, solution, and then complaint notes. Officer can upload the completed proof image. And then click the show map. Here you can view the user location. Then go to the report. Officer can view the total report details. And then click the users. Officer can view the users details. And then click the feedback. Officer can view the feedback from user side. And then click the my profile. Here you can view the profile details. Here you can view the officer profile details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. So this is a fire report helper PHP web application.